Hello everybody, welcome to another Drupal tutorial, and in this one we'll see how we can install and configure Drupal using the MariaDB database engine. You can read more about MariaDB on mariadb.org website, and as most of you would be coming from using my SQL as the database engine, so you might be interested in reading these links, this one and this one, and this link compares the features of MySQL and MariaDB, and this link compares the compatibility of MariaDB and MySQL. So let's begin. We'll start with the documentation. Go to documentation and click on MariaDB knowledge base. On this page, click on MariaDB documentation, and this one, getting started and installing and upgrading MariaDB and MariaDB binary packages. And as I'm on Windows, so I'm going to go with this one, MariaDB MSI packages on Windows. And this page contains a great guide on how you can install MariaDB with all the screenshots. So if you are stuck anywhere, I would recommend you going to this page. So let's download the MariaDB software. Go to mariadb.org and click on download MariaDB now. On this page, let us download the stable version. The current stable version is 5.5.34, and I'm going to download this one, window32.msi package. Just click on it and it would start downloading the package. Now if you would open the downloaded file, you would get this setup. So let's click on next and accept the license agreement and click on next and create new database instance. Yes, and I'm going to go with the default options. Click on next. Let's add a new root password and confirm it, and I'm going to go with use UTF-8 as default server character set and next, and let us keep all the default settings and click on next and install. Okay, so the installation was successful. Now let's open the program. Go to start menu and open this one, IDSQL. Now let's add a new session. I'm gonna call it MariaDB at localhost. Add the password and click on open. Now we are going to add a new database. Right click on this and create new database. Let's call our database Drupal and OK. Here we have our new database. Now we are going to go to our web browser. So here we are. I would like to inform you that I am using XAMPP for the Apache module. I have started this service and I have recently extracted the Drupal zip file in my Drupal directory in my htdocs folder in my exam directory. Now when I go to this directory localhost my Drupal, it takes me to the install file. So let's begin with the installation. Click on save and continue. We are going to go with the standard installation profile, and on this page type in Drupal as the database name and root as the database username and type in your password. Let's click on save and continue. So you can now see that the installation has begun. We'll wait till it gets completed. Let's configure our site. Password and country. Let's click on save and continue. So the installation was successful. Let's visit our new site. Try logging in. Okay, now we can have a look at our status report. Click on menu. Now click on reports. Now click on status report. Here you can see that the Drupal version is 8.0 development version and the database system version is 5.5.34 MariaDB. This was how we can install Drupal using the MariaDB database engine. But before we put an end to this video, I'm going to discuss how we can manage our MariaDB databases, because in future you might want to edit your tables, or you might want to see their structures or anything related to it. So let's begin. We can go to HideSQL software and double click on our database, and this would take you to this page, and let's explore a table. Let's say this one. So this is the structure of our table, and we can add new columns here. You can add the data type, and it's all the default settings which every database software provides. I'm going to click on discard because I don't want to add new field, and you can go to this data tab to edit the data present in this table. So I can edit this data by double clicking on it, and here I can edit its value. So in this video we saw how we can install Drupal using the MariaDB database engine and how we can manage our MariaDB databases. If you have any confusion or any query, feel free to post a comment on this video. I hope this video helped you in some way. Good day.